Hello, good morning, dear viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Chef Nasir's Kitchen, where we share delicious food recipes. Today, we are making a whole sea bass fish with cilantro and lime, an incredibly flavorful and delicious baked fish recipe. If you enjoy Chef Nasir's cooking videos, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Take one whole sea bass fish and wash it thoroughly. Then, make 4 to 5 cuts on the sides and set it aside. Take a bowl and add crushed black pepper, crushed chili flakes, garlic powder, ginger powder, and red chili powder. Finely chop the garlic, fresh ginger, and cilantro. Add them to a bowl along with 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. Mix all the ingredients well, then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and combine everything thoroughly. Now, our fish marinade is ready. Take a baking tray and brush it with oil. Now, spread the marinade evenly into each cut of the fish, covering both sides. Place some lemon slices and bay leaves inside the fish for extra flavor. Take 2 potatoes, peel them, and cut them into large slices. Place them in a bowl and add crushed black pepper, crushed red chili flakes, salt, oregano, red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients well and set them aside. Now, place the marinated fish on the baking tray. Arrange the marinated potato slices around the fish. If you have cherry tomatoes, add them as well. Place a few lemon slices on top for extra flavor. This will enhance the taste of our baked fish beautifully. Now, our fish is ready to go into the oven. Bake it at specified temperature, e.g., 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes until fully cooked and golden. After 40 minutes, let's check to see if it's perfectly baked. After 40 minutes, our delicious baked fish is finally ready to serve. Let's take a serving plate and place the fish in the center. Arrange the baked potato slices and cherry tomatoes on the side. Look at this, our flavorful, perfectly baked fish is ready. Enjoy this amazing dish with your friends, guests, and family. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed my food video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.